So the part is here. We are going to grab the starter. Yay! Yay! And I got Mark over here. So definitely today is the day. I'm so happy. Here we are. We're gonna pick up the starter. So see you guys. The part in my hand. Right? So excited. So the starter is here and now it's up to Travis to put it back in the generator. I forget. Okay, so the starter here.
Nobody said anything about recording.
This is happening.
No, it's not.
This is happening.
No, it's not.
We're gonna see Travis getting a stock again.
We ain't saying nothing.
Before we have to.
And on that note, Kanai will now be installing the starter. No. The first time of his life.
We have to be embalming him with butter and olive oil and and oil and all the oils so he don't get stuck a second time over there. So for you guys to have an idea, Travis have to go under the onboard propane tank and work his way up to the fuel tank, which is the sketchy part, because there is a gap where he gets stuck right there, so he can work on the back of the starter. That's the only sketchy part of this whole starter repair, but hopefully he don't get stuck. So it's time to relocate. Baby, are you prepped for this?
Prep for what?
Getting stuck again?
I ain't getting stuck.
Are you sure?
I got a game plan this time.
Okay, what is the game plan?
Not get stuck.
Such a smart plan, right, baby? Don't get stuck.
So. Don't get stuck to begin with.
Okay.
The smart plan is to not get stuck this time, because I hate to say it, but we're out of Crisco. Want a chin steak, anybody?
This is the thing that you do where you are a nomad.
Hey, don't record my underwear.
I'm not recording your underwear, baby. No, not yet.
Not yet. There's my problem. Not yet.
So you have to access that back of the starter.
Yeah, hold on. So over there,
Yeah.
you kind of see the void over here is where I'm headed to. And you can, from this side, you can tell how much it drops and why I got stuck.
Oh, I got you.
It's the same thing on this side too.
Yep.
So.
Keep your light on.
Yeah, well, that was the plan until it just cut off a second ago. And I think my son has already showered, so.
He's not showered. Are you showered? No.
Oh. I was going to make him crawl under here and learn. But...
Come over here and learn. Okay. This is a good learning experience. Come on, Kai.
Why me?
Because you need to know these things, you know?
Oh boy.
What?
Why?
I need more stacking stuff. This ain't going to work.
Stacking stuff? What do you mean?
To fill that lip.
So he's prepping his area.
Trying to. So, because of how it had previously, when it got loose and it welded on the other starter, I'll show you all close up on that afterwards. It did a bunch of arcing and it welded the end of the other wire onto it. Well, without taking the whole generator apart, I can't access the other end of that wire to just change the whole wire out. So I'm limited to the length that it has. And in order to give a little bit more play, I'm going to cut the end off of that one, and I'm going to solder junction these together to where I've got a little bit more play and flexibility and a better connection, because I had some extra.
It's the moment of truth.
On one hand, I need to put a belt on. On the other hand, if I put a belt on, that's even less that fits. Just saying.
Time to do some good.
This is that point where really I don't want to go no further, because if I do, that's where I got into trouble.
Okay, so no trouble. Stay there.
But it does look like at some point we've had some critters trying to live in this area and storing acorns and whatnot in here.
Oh my God.
So it may be partially what helped contribute to what happened, but I have got to get a little bit further. Unfortunately, this is what I didn't want to have to do, because I need more hand control. So that I can clean this wire off.
So last screw is in there, and I think so we're gonna work on getting Travis unstuck. Right, baby. So this is one of the pieces of the starter. This is what arced and broke. Ew.
I don't know. I might stay here tonight.
You're right. Just give me a pillow, dear.
Make sure you start the starter so I can plug my stuff.
This is not an easy, pleasant thing. Well, I actually technically have to.
Baby, you got this.
It's somebody else's problem.
And he's out. Thank
I'm
God.
not out. Hold on. I'm not out.
Baby, you are unstuck. So you guys.
That doesn't mean the funny shit ain't over.
Baby, you are my superhero. That's why I. Oh shoot.
Well, there go those pants. They needed air conditioning anyway.
Oh, we got a big hole.
Well, I'm glad I put the dirty ones back on.
Right?
The last time.
Turn yourself, baby.
I don't know, let me pull up my pants first.
The other way. I don't see nothing. Oh no.
So now he's
Starter is on. Starter is in. Travis out. Let's see if this work, baby.
Oh, it does.
It does? Are you sure?
You hit the button earlier. I know.
Are we ready?
Whew. Hard to bend over under your ribs now.
This is the time of truth. Yo, what's that? Woo!
Hey, it never started that fast.
Right? Nice job. Give me 5, baby.